Okay, so today's video we shall be showing you how we fit this AQUABION water conditioner. So this AQUABION water conditioner is meant to reduce the lime scale within your system. So the idea is it gives you a longer lifespan because we're putting a combi boiler in, and the idea is we don't want lime scale building up in the plate-to-plate heat exchanger, blocking it up and making the boiler less efficient. So I'm fitting this bad boy on the incoming main, so it serves the whole property, not just the boiler. So this serves all of your taps, your shower, your toilet, your basin taps, does everything, including your kitchen tap, so it's drinking water. I think there's a big misunderstanding with water softeners and water conditioners. So this particular water conditioner, this AQUABION one, it is drinking water. So yeah, your water passes through it and it is completely drinkable and safe. So the main things that mainly destroy taps and components like showers, stuff like that, is lime scale. So the minerals absolutely destroy it and allow it to not function properly. But look, have a look at this. Now that is stylish. I love it. I absolutely love my job. But yeah, that's the complete install. Hope you enjoyed.